In this training video, I want to show you how to promote WarriorPlus products successfully and qualify for 100% commission. That's right. You can earn 100% commission with WarriorPlus products, and I'm going to show you the trick to qualify for 100% commission. Now imagine a product that is selling, the front end offer is selling for like $7, and with the upsell you get up to like $400, $500. If you have qualified for 100% commission on that product, and someone from your affiliate link, through your affiliate link, purchases the front end offer and purchases all the upsell, you can end up making up to like $500 in commissions. Instead of making 50% commission, 75% commission, you can make 100% commission. And I'm going to show you how you can qualify for that without having to create a product, without having to create a website. This is what I done. I qualified for 100% commission, and that is the reason how I was able to get up to this type of results that you're seeing on the screen. Okay, now disclaimer, individual results will vary depending on a lot of other things. Okay, I was able to make most of the commissions on this platform with qualifying for 100% commission, and I'm going to show you the trick on how you can qualify for 100% commission. So let's dive into this video. I'm in the network called WarriorPlus. If you don't know what WarriorPlus is, WarriorPlus is a network with affiliate products, digital products, okay, and their platform is completely different to other affiliate platforms. Most of their products front end offer is very low price range, like $7 or $11 or $12. Most people do not promote these type of products just because the commission is going to be 50%, which means if your offer is $7, you're just going to make $2 or $3. Okay, but they forget that it has a lot of upsells as well, so it adds up, and you could make anywhere from $200 to $400. So I'm going to show you step by step how you can get a product and then you can qualify for 100% commission. Now I do it my way, okay? A lot of people might do it a different way, but I'm going to show you my trick, the way I qualify for 100% commission. So first of all, what you need to do is you need to come into WarriorPlus network. If you don't have an account, just create a free account, okay? And once you have created your free account, you're going to see a couple of options down here. You can see marketplace, okay? You could go. Now I highly recommend that when you're joining WarriorPlus for the first time, you want to click on each links and get familiar with everything, because it will be very, very helpful for you in the future, and you will save a lot of time, okay? So make sure you just click on these couple of things here to learn more what this is all about. Okay, as an affiliate, you can ignore this completely. We don't need this. Okay, this is all related to product sellers, so we don't need this. We just need these two sections here, the marketplace, okay, and the affiliates. So I highly recommend you look into each one of them, get familiar with it. All right, as you can see, if you just come onto the dashboard, on the right hand side you can see the marketplace, you can see product alerts, you can see vendors, then you can see affiliates, etc., etc. And then down here you can see the top products that's been performing as in sales volume. So you can see the top products for today has been this one here. It's been doing very, very good, very, very great. Yesterday, okay, you can see it's different, last 7 days, last 30 days. And this way it just gives you a hint on what you should promote right now, what is converting right now, okay? So we're going to go into the affiliates, and if you want to see your commissions, you want to see how much money you have made today, yesterday, 7 days, 30 days, just go to the dashboard and you will be able to see everything there. You can also check all your stats and your commissions, including the traffic and the clicks, into your stats section, and that's all, okay? So let's go to the offers. Okay, and when you come to the offers, you're going to see here that WarriorPlus is going to give you hundreds and hundreds and hundreds of products down here that you can promote. All right, so you can come here, you can promote a product. Okay, it's so simple and easy. You can see here that I have to request for most of the products to promote because they don't approve you automatically. All right, so I have decided that I am going to promote one of the products here, but before I do that, I just want to show you the easy way to qualify for 100% commission. So if I want to promote one of the products down here, I have already spoke about the sales, the conversion rate, the visitors value, the refund rate in one of my videos. Make sure you check it out. Okay, now if I want to promote one of the products, let's say I want to promote this product down here, which has done already 2,000 plus sales. Okay, 31% conversion rate. Steam code author. I'm just going to come here, click it. Okay, I'm going to go to the products, and then I'm going to come here, and I'm going to see that these are all the products. Okay, so if the front end offer is going to be about $27, all right, normally $7, but this is $27. I can see it's paying me 75% commission on the front end, and then going to pay me 50% commission on all the other back end products, including the upsells. Okay, so that's how you end up making like $300, $400. But if you qualify for 100% commission, you can earn up to like anywhere from $300 to $700, $800 with one product. All right, now to qualify for 100% commission, the first thing you will need is, this is one option. We're talking about option one here. Okay, I'm going to give you two options to qualify for 100% commission. Option one is, if you're going to choose the option one to qualify for 100% commission, then you will need a couple of sales and good stats within your WarriorPlus account, because the way to qualify for, one of the ways to qualify for 100% commission is that after you have got approved to promote a product and you start driving traffic, okay, you're going to start driving traffic, and you got some good sales, you can contact the person and say, hey, it's a win-win. Look, I have promoted your product. I've made a lot of money for you. Can you please bump my commissions to 100%? Now, not most, but some of these vendors will listen to you and bump your commissions to 100%. But for this to happen, you need to have a good track record on WarriorPlus, that you are promoting good products, you know how to drive traffic, you know how to get sales, and your traffic is converting, and you're getting very good quality traffic. Basically, that's what it is. That's option one. Option two, how to qualify for 100% commission and earn anywhere from $200 to $700 per product. And this is my trick. This is the way I do it. So let's just go back and let me show you. It's going to become more easier if I show you this. So I'm just going to come here and let me just go back to the top. Let's just go here. Let me click on approved only. Okay. And then let me find one of the products I am already approved to earn. Okay, so you can see here, this is a product that was launched in 2024, like 2 years ago. Okay, it done over 3,000 plus volume. All right, 4% conversion rate, very good product. I'm already approved to promote this product, so let's just click on this. Okay, and if I go to the product section, you can see I am qualified to earn 100% commission on this. You can see here all this 100%. You can see that 100% commission. All right. Now, how did I qualify to earn 100% commission? Here's the trick. Okay, this is the trick I use. You can use it too if you don't want to use the option one, or you're just getting started for the first time and you have no kind of sales record. What I will do is I would purchase this front end product. Okay, so in this case, the front end product is for $9.95. Okay, so I will purchase the front end product. Okay, and then I will skip all the upsells until I get to this upsell here. Can you see this here? It says here, AI Profit Machine Lifetime Reseller. So most of the products on WarriorPlus has this upsell option of reseller license. Okay, they have this option. Okay, reseller license, which means you purchase this product, they will bump your commissions to 100%. And that's what I do. I will first purchase the front end offer, and then I will skip all the upsells and come for this one here, the reseller license one, and purchase the reseller license. This way they give me 100% commission, and I earn anywhere from $200 to $700 per product. Now, there's one thing to remember before doing anything like this. When anytime you request approval to promote any products on WarriorPlus, you do not want to go there and try to qualify for 100% commission. First, you want to test the water out. So leave it as it is, okay, and start promoting the product. Start driving some traffic. Once you start driving traffic, if you're seeing that you're getting very, very good conversions and you are making money with the traffic, then you might want to bump your commission by purchasing the front end offer and then purchasing the reseller license. Do not do this instantly as you get approved, because you just don't know if it's going to convert or not. So what I will do is, once I'm approved to promote a product, I will start driving traffic to it. If I start seeing some sales coming in and I'm seeing that I am making money, with this product, then I will go ahead, purchase the front end offer, purchase the reseller license so I could be bumped to 100% commission, because I already know that the product is converting. I already know that my traffic is working with this product and I'm already making sales. It's just a matter of time that I need to bump my commission so I could make extra money. So that's what I will do. So instead of now making like $200, I'm making $400. If I was making $400 with that one product, I'm going to make $800 because I'm qualified for 100% commission. Okay. So first you need to test the water. So start sending some traffic. See if you're making any sales and you're making money. If you are, go ahead, purchase the front end offer, then purchase the reseller license, and this is how you're going to qualify for 100% commission. This is the option 2 method if you don't want to do option 1 for any reason.